Hey, what's good, learning machines? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to go over passive income ideas really fast, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, let's go. Watch till the very end. Let's get it. Okay, so, no, I'm not going to make a list. Okay, so here's a bunch of passive income ideas for you. We got social media marketing agency, we got affiliate marketing, we got drop shipping, and ultimately, with any of these, by the way, passive income is when you're doing maintain work for it to keep it running, but it also runs itself, so that's very important to know. And when you have something like recurring set up, that's real passive income, okay, when you're getting paid monthly. And things that do that would be software, definitely agency stuff, but you have to maintain that. If you're the business owner, then you have employees. They maintain that, and then you just collect your paycheck. But so that's another way. And then memberships. You could even be affiliate for like membership programs where people are getting coached or learning or whatever. You know, like joining a group and paying to be a part of something. Even Spotify and all these, you know, different entertainment services. Pay. So those are just some recurring things. More passive income ideas would be, sorry, I just came up with this video idea real fast, but so you got social media marketing, you got affiliate marketing, you got drop shipping. These are just the basic ones that most people come up with, but then you got like Amazon FBA, and then you've got I'm trying to think of ones for online. You got a YouTube channel you could do. You could literally just create Instagram pages and grow them to great heights and then get paid to do shout outs. That can become pretty passive if you are on all the websites where people come to actually do advertising with these kind of pages that you would grow. So that's one other way. What's another way? Oh yeah, driving basically paid traffic to offers that you have or offers that are affiliate offers. Growing your email list is huge. That's very passive, because if you're driving free traffic to grow your email list and then you promote maybe one offer per week, you should be generating $1 per email address on your email list per month. You should be earning $1 per person. So if you have 100,000 people on your email list, you better be making $100,000 per month. Okay, so that's huge. That can take a while to build up. There's strategies to do that, and I bet that kind of sounds like a very juicy topic. So let's go over that real quick. Okay, so you're driving free traffic, right? You could literally pay an influencer in a specific niche, maybe it's survival niche or whatever. So you pay a survival influencer that maybe has a YouTube channel, maybe has a Instagram, or maybe you're just also doing paid ads, right? You drive them to your free offer in exchange for their name and email. I suggest name and email because then you can basically call out the person's name when emailing them specifically, because there's a way to do that, and it's more personalized to them and stands out to them. And by the way, whatever other people are doing with email marketing, do the opposite. If everyone's doing capital letters, which everyone is, do lowercase letters. If everyone's doing longer sentences, do shorter sentences, okay? This is huge. If people are doing explanation points and stuff, don't do that. So just be different, differentiate yourself, and promote good quality offers. And basically you're set. So when you send them to your email opt-in, basically instantly redirect them to the affiliate offer page and funnel, and then send the freebie to their email inbox. You can use Aweber, GetResponse, anything for that, and then for your landing page use ClickFunnels or Builderall. I recommend ClickFunnels. Builderall definitely has a lot of technical issues. If you're doing just affiliate marketing, I definitely would recommend Builderall, because Builderall is cheaper and you don't own your own products in affiliate marketing typically. But there's a very cool way that you can make a lot of money in affiliate marketing when you don't be narrow-minded and you just do both things. Your own products, if whether it be e-commerce or info products, and then you have affiliate offers on the side, indirect competitor affiliate offers, where they're not like direct competition with maybe whatever you're doing. If it's e-commerce, you're not directly just like promoting affiliate offers that are the same type of offers as you, so something more indirect. This is just a bunch of value and info to you very fast. I hope you found value in it. Like this video, it does very good for me, for the channel, so just like the video. That's the least you can do for your appreciation. Check out the links in the description. I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Peace.